Welcome to Island Spirit Sailing. Today was one of those dream days sailing from Cat Island back over to Georgetown. 15 to 20 knots beam reaching winds under full sail. What a beautiful day. Here's some video clips of the day. It's funny, when you videotape these waves, they never look as big as what they are. I'm going to say these waves are 3 feet, maybe 4 feet. Take a look at this. On the camera, they get flattened out. They don't look as big as what they really are. It's very difficult to show the wave action, but beautiful beam reaching wind, 90 degrees, full mainsail, full 110 jib out there, max sails, running us at hull speed practically. See the wind there at 15 knots, 107 degree compass heading. We got 29 miles to go. Boat speed 7. Boat speed there 6.5. Our depth, we're off soundings. We're in thousands of feet of water, and there's the wind angle on the beam, and 15 knots of wind. Very, very steady. There's the wind plot over the last hour. Now when you look upwind, zip up the enclosure here and take a look. Almost over the camera there. See water on the deck, rolling around, boats soaked with salt spray. Yeah, these waves, 3 feet, 4 feet on the beam, so the boat's rolling back and forth. We have the enclosure up. We always sail with these side curtains, keeps the spray out of the cockpit. And if you look off the stern, get an idea of the motion. And you can see the autopilot. Auto number 1. And the beautiful blue water. Cannot get much better than this. Team Island Spirit 2017, sailing back to Georgetown from Cat Island.